Hello, this is Guy Barker here, and I'm going to give a quick demo of how to create an Azure speech-to-text service at the Azure portal. Okay, and here we are at the Azure portal, all signed in, and I will click Create a Resource. Now I'm interested in speech-related services, so I'll type in speech here. Now it's important to notice that in the drop-down that appeared, there are some entries for earlier versions of Azure speech-related services, such as Bing Speech and Custom Speech, but I'm not interested in those because I want the unified speech service. So I just clicked on speech there, and then a larger list of speech-related services will appear, and the one I want to select is just called speech, and there it is at the top of the list, so I'll click that. And then I'll say, yes, I want to create this speech service. And in a moment, I'll get to an opportunity to add some of my own specifics about this service. I'll give it a name. I'll call it AI4ADemo speech, something that means something to me. I'll stick with the pre-populated subscription. Now the location relates to the cloud resources which will go to provide this service. And in general, that location will want to be close to the customers who are going to use the service for performance reasons. And there's a few different regions I can select, and I'll go with the default of West US. I'll pick a pricing tier. And then for the resource group, I'm going to stick with an earlier resource group that I created earlier called AI4ADemo, which will contain this speech-specific resource, and I'll probably put other demo-related services in that as well. So then I'll click Create. And in a moment, a notification that says Deployment in Progress appears to show that the Azure is creating the resources associated with this service. And hopefully in a few seconds, another notification will appear to say that the deployment was successful. There we go. Deployment succeeded. Okay, well, I would like to pin this new resource that I've created to the dashboard. So I'll click Pin to Dashboard. And there, sure enough, the resource has appeared. I'll close down the early notification. And there we are, we're good to go. So basically, the resource has been created and is ready for my app to use. Now, what I'll do shortly is update my app to call that resource. Thank you.